Hi, this is Mrs. Dedecker here to show you how you're going to get into your assignment and create your mission research project using Google Slides. This is just part one. So you're going to click on the waffle icon, which is this icon over here with the 9 dots. You just click on that. You want to go into Google Classroom to get to the assignment. So once you're in your Google Classroom for 7th grade, you're going to click on the classwork tab. And then once you're in the classwork tab, you're going to click on the assignment. It's called Mission Research Part 1 Assignment. And it'll be in Google Slides. You just simply click on View Assignment. And actually this video will be in here, so you'll be able to actually click on that. And then your actual assignment will be in this work slides thing here over here. So you're just going to click on this Google Slides. And so it'll be empty initially, but just to go back to the original assignment, you have what's called an assignment sheet. So you can actually click on that and have that up and also be able to work on your slides over here. So if you get any of these pop-ups, feel free to just click on the X button to get rid of them. And the first thing you're going to do, and this is going to make your life so much easier, and hopefully you'll be able to utilize this for future projects. So you're going to go in and you're going to go into one of these menus. See these menus going across? Each of these are menus, and each of the menus have options underneath them. And I'm actually interested in the view menu, and under the view menu there's an option called theme builder. So you click on the theme builder, and once you're in the theme builder, what you want to be is you want to be under the slide that says theme. I hope you see that I'm pointing to that, and you're going to click on it so it's highlighted. It actually highlighted it. And then once you get on it, you can actually click on this, and then if you want to get rid of all this because you just want a title on yours, you're just going to click on each item. You just click here. I can actually unclick them. You're just going to click on them and click this one, and then you just go Control A, and that'll actually select everything on the slide, even the slide number thing on there. And once you select them all, then you just click the delete button up on your keyboard. You just simply delete them. And now you're not going to use any of these layouts at all. You're just using this theme slide. This is a very simple assignment where you're just going to use this theme slide, and you're going to actually add, you're going to insert a text box. So you click on text box, and all you are doing is drawing it on, drawing the box on the very top of your slide. And you're just going to type in mission research by your name. So I'll put my name just so you can see how I enter my name. And then I'm going to put my number, which is 20, and then my grade level, which would be 7th grade. And then, and remember, I'm still on this same theme slide. And then you could just bold this if you want. You can bold it and see it's at 14 already, and it's already at Arial. So you don't need to add anything there. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to actually put the date here in the lower left hand corner here. You just click on a text box again, and you're just going to draw it here at the bottom, and you're going to just put in today's date. And right now when I'm doing this video, it's the 31st 2022. So if in future years you're going to just put the current date that you're at. And now over here I'd like to put like a slide number, have it automatically put in slide numbers. So you can do this insert, and then you're just going down here and you're looking. There's a lot of options here, but you're just going all the way to here. It's called slide numbers. You click on that and you make sure it's on, and then you're going to click apply. and then it puts in a sharp sign or pound sign or hashtag, whichever you want to call it. And then you're going to go back, and now you have it all set up, and now you won't ever have to type that in again. But you have to make sure that you X out of here before creating your slides. So now you're in your first slide here, and now let's say I'm going to just do Caleb. So I'm going to just click on a text box and I'm going to type in Caleb as my first mission. And all you need to do is put in the title of the mission and what its purpose is. So I'm going to just click on Caleb, copy, and I'm just going to do a search for Caleb. So I'm going to search for Caleb, and here it is. So there's the website. So here you can actually click on that website, Control C, pop it in here, create another text box. You need a separate text box for that website. You can actually type in website, and then you can pop that right in there just by pasting it. Now all we need is the purpose of the site, or what their mission really is. So you look around, you just kind of see, usually it's under something like About Us. Otherwise, you can actually do a search for it. Mission, beliefs, and values. That sounds like a good site. And so here's your mission. So you're just going to copy and paste that. Sometimes it won't let you, so you might have to actually type it in, but it's not a big deal. You're only just doing a couple of quick hit for like 8 of them. Now you're going to insert another text box. Oops. Let's go click on text box. And no, there's 2 ways to do it. You can do it via this menu, or you can just click on the icon here on the actual toolbar. So if I click on that, I can just draw another box and make it kind of big, just make sure it fits. And then Control V, and there's the actual mission. Now I'm actually done with the first slide. It's that simple. So now you're going to add a new slide. So you just click on new slide, and voila, you actually have all of the information that you put in ThemeBuilder is already showing on your side, and it even put the number down here. So now you're set to go for your next mission. You can even use these boxes already created here for you. So you would go to your next mission, which could be Compassion International, or whichever 8 that you desire, and you can actually add another one of your own. Maybe your parents, if you talk to a parent, you could actually ask them about another one. So you're totally welcome to add any new ones. But you must do at least 8. So you can copy that, and there you have your actual website. So we could just say website. And now you need to put the actual name, Compassion International, and come back. So Compassion International is the title, and then all you need is what their purpose is. So you could actually, if you want to give yourself some space here, you could do a whole new text box. Actually, I think a new text box might be good. You just click on that text box, draw another box, and now you can put their purpose. So if you go here, you can go under About Us. That usually has something about it. Who we are, what we do. So here, About Us, who we are. This sounds perfect. We are a child advocacy in ministry pairing compassionate people with children living in extreme poverty to release the children from spiritual, economic, social, and physical poverty. You could actually just copy that right into here, and there you go. And it was all white, so you notice you can't even see it on here, so you just got to highlight it again and just change the text to be black. So all you have to do is go under the text color here and just make it black so we can see it. And there's no need to do any back colors, just keep it white. This is just kind of a brain dump of all of your research. you'll be creating a whole fancy presentation and a whole new software package actually. So hopefully you understand how to do this. Again, if you want to see how I got to the theme builder, again, you just go to the view menu. Remember, these are your menus going across, and you click on view theme builder, and you will see that we actually had, if you click on that theme slide, you'll see that I have the mission research by your name, but you would have your name, your student number, and seventh grade, the date, and then adding your or inserting your slide numbers, which is under the insert menu, and it's right here, slide numbers, so you can just simply apply them. So hopefully it helped, but make sure you got to X out of there before adding any new slides, and it'll automatically add all that information. So hopefully that helps, and I hope you have a great project. Take care. Bye.